pala, mali hug lang.
Hug lang, may kiss. Maaga. Oo.
Hi, Mal. This is it. The Big Ben. Ito na yung matagal nating pinaplano. And finally, ito na. Ito na yung plano natin, may kasal sa harap ng Diyos at ng ating pamilya, kasama na yung mga kaibigan natin. And today, I choose you, not for this moment, but for every day.
Nang dahan-dahan sa pasilyo tungo sa'kin at hinawakan mo ako.
Diniskardehan niya ako sa panghiram ng ballpen. Lagi siyang walang ballpen. Nagsisend siya ng paper na parang, hi, hello, yan. So, doon nagsimula.
Dearly beloved Vince and Sim, you are here today to seal your love with an eternal bond before the church. Sim, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife? Yes, Father.
Thank you, anak, sa lahat ng suporta mo sa buhay. Maging mapagmahal kayo sa bawat isa. Thank you, mahal na mahal ko kayo.
God bless.
Ngayon, ikakasal niya ako. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Maraming salamat sa pinagtapos niyo ako ng pag-aaral. Maraming salamat sa taus-pusong pagmamahal.
I promise to love you in good times and in difficult times. And I'm willing to support you, all of your dreams, and walk beside you through life's challenges. I promise to be honest with you, to listen with my heart, and grow old with you.
Jesus is talking to you right now and telling you, Vince, I love you. Sim, I love you. Jesus said, remain in my love. So mahal ko kayo, manatili kayo sa akin.
Matatag na sila.
Matatag!
Challenges na pinagdaanan nila sa New Zealand, talagang yun ang nagpatibay. So,
Tinutukan mo kasi ng
parang sa
baril.
kanya ako
What we wanted, not what we thought.
Pare, always remember the two rules of marriage, pare. Number one, your wife is always right.
Yes.
Number two, pare, if you think your wife is wrong, then go back to number one.
Don't give up. Don't give in.
OA! Si OA! Si OA! Thank you to! Si OA!
Ay, mahal. This is it. Our big day. Akala mo simula lang ito na binibisita lang kita nun sa pharmacy, sa hospital. Then, what an adventure it's been. Then, nangyari yung pandemic. Nagpunta ako sa New Zealand. At sinundan mo ko doon at maraming salamat sa lahat. What an amazing journey it has been so far.
Pareho kami ng goal, mahal namin yung isa't isa. And then na-realize ko, dito pa lang sinusuportahan niya ako from the very start hanggang sa dulo. No, hindi ka talaga niya iiwan. So sabi ko, grabe, ito na talaga yung tao na to.
Mangyayari na finally. Kasi ang tagal na namin hinihintay ito simula nung before pandemic pa. Excited, masaya, at hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ko bang hindi lumuha mamaya. Ang tagal na kasi talaga namin hinihintay ito. Ito na kasi yung parang pinaka-culmination ng aming journey. I love playing. So better. I will always love you for the rest. This is a new chapter of our life, and we will do it together.
I will respect you, care for you, and choose you again and again. This is my promise to you, now and forever.